Well, today we're going to be talking about cut up cords. I mean, they get cut by edge clippers, yard equipment, whatever. This one got caught up in the skill saw there. Usually it's a lot worse than this, but at least it just barely nicked it. But the whole idea is to show you how this stuff here works. Something called Bondic. I guess that's Bondic, I don't know. Anyway, you learn how to pronounce it. The instructions are in there. So the one thing I do require that you do is to wear eye protection and some gloves, because even though you're working, you know, with something as simple as a cord, something could happen to where it can flick a piece of glue into your eyes. But this is something brand new. I've never seen it before, and it has to do with ultraviolet light. So what we did, we bought a little piece of this. You can get this at Ace Hardware. I think you can get it at the Depot or Lowe's. Anyway, you just cut it to slide over your cord, and then it goes over your damaged area. And then we're going to glue it together with this glue with the ultraviolet light that dries it, and we'll see how it works out. You see, we cut this to fit over the wire. We got a piece that's just a hair bit bigger than the regular cord, so it'd be good and snug. Now we'll hold this together, and then we're going to glue this and then cure it with that ultraviolet light. Now I can't do the whole thing, but what I'm going to do is we'll do this end first, and then we'll just work our way right on down. Okay, just real quick, sand the surface. Well, we don't need to sand it because it's a brand new cut. Fill and layer the glue. UV cure for 3 or 4 seconds. File sand and shape. Well, I had better put my gloves on before I get this stuff stuck to me. And I do have my glasses. Okay, and then this is the squeezy part. Okay, I've done about halfway. Let me put the cap back on here. Then we push it together. And then according to this, if I can keep it on, not very easy with these gloves. So 3 or 4 seconds. My golly, I think it's glued. I'm not going to trust it as far as being totally cured, but now we can do the bottom part. Alrighty. Alright, let that sit there a few minutes. I'd give it a little bit of time before I start yanking on it, so we'll come back and check it here in a little while. Well, I've used this saw for a day, putting it through all kinds of cutting stuff, and Well, I'm really impressed with this stuff. It's holding up very well. So, you know, even though you have to, you know, pay about, I think around, I'm not sure what I paid for, about $12, $15, but that's a heck of a lot cheaper than a new extension cord. I mean, a new saw cord. They usually charge about $40 to put one on. And seal both these ends, then you'll have a good watertight connection until the next time you cut it. But at least this time, next time you'll have a little bit of help as far as it getting into the wire itself. Alrighty. Well, I wish you good luck with it.